the Bob Mills Weather Center, Oklahoma weather expert, Lacey Swope.
All right, I got to show you this picture sent in from central Oklahoma. This is from Oklahoma City, and we've been talking about the smoke that's been in the atmosphere thanks to those big wildfires in Canada. Kelly and Robert sent us this picture from First Americans Museum of the sun coming up. Yeah, that's the sunrise. And you know when the sun has that orange hue to it, it is smoke. Those smoke particles have a refractive property that refracts the color red. So that's the color that you will see, and you can see that at sunset as well. So thanks so much for sending that picture in. Here, the air quality due to the smoke is not awful. It's been worse than awful for folks in the Northeast and especially over New York, where these concentrations of the smoke have been coming down with the jet stream, and they kind of comes in waves. So look at these big plumes of smoke that goes away, comes back. The folks in the mountainous areas, the Rockies, all the way back over to California, used to this happening time and time again. It's pretty rare that this happens and really impacts one of the most highly populated areas in the world, like New York City. So I'm sure you've seen the pictures, and if not, we're going to show those to you in What Caught My Eye. Our downtown view is gorgeous on our Lucky Star Skycam network. Crystal clear skies, 73 degrees, and there is sunshine from the Red River all the way up to Kansas, back over to Tulsa. Little cloud cover in the southwest as well as in the Panhandle. Otherwise, blue skies prevail. We had thunderstorms yesterday. Those, of course, went away in the evening hours. Had more rain in the southwest overnight. We're still tracking a few sprinkles down along the Red River. Most of that is going away. It is 69 in Cheyenne, 70 in Woodward, 77 in Ponca City, 74 in Jones, 76 in Ada, upper 70s now in eastern Oklahoma. Light winds today. Your winds will actually be out of the west for most of the afternoon, and they will stay in the light category once again. As we start to get hotter, yesterday was 88 degrees. It'll be similar today. Makes those pools, the splash pads, the area lakes look a lot more inviting. 83 at lunchtime today, 88 for an afternoon high with that chance for thunderstorms at 10%. 89 in Ardmore, 90 in Ada, 92 in those are your highs today, mid-80s in western Oklahoma. And today, nearly statewide, the rain chance is 10%. So most locations dry. There's a slightly higher opportunity down in the southeast, but it's not locked in because these storms will kind of be at random like they've been over the past few days. Not expecting severe weather today. And on average, if storm goes up in your area, could produce some dime-size hail, wind gusts are 2 to 50 miles per hour, and some heavy downpours, intense lightning is what we'll be watching for. Now, at the jet stream level, there's the storm system over the east coast that's pulling that smoke in from Canada, and that's what spread it down across the southern plains and the deep south. But we're watching what's going on out west. We've had this blocking pattern in place over the last week or so. That breaks down. We've got a system that approaches from the southwest into tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. That will help give us fuel and lift for more of these storms to come on in. A complex tries to develop tomorrow evening and makes its way down into the metro heading into Saturday morning. We'll have to see what that can do for the storm chance Saturday afternoon. We may have some strong to severe storms Saturday afternoon as well. Sunday, a cold front arrives. It looks mostly dry, and then we work our way into your Monday and Tuesday. Stronger jet stream overhead could mean some stronger severe storms, but right now most data suggests it's kind of a non-event. We'll have to wait and see, though, as this system gets a little closer to us and we really start to heat things up the middle to end of next week. Here's Future Next Gen, 2 o'clock. These small little showers are starting to billow on up. May have a few more in the west, but really they'll be at random today. Tonight, tomorrow morning, mostly dry with thunderstorms taking off again in the east tomorrow afternoon and the peak heating of the day. And that complex starts to fire tomorrow evening and makes its way across northern western Oklahoma into the metro overnight into Saturday morning and pushes down to the southeast with rain chances likely in that time frame. Tonight, 60s. There will be a chance for a few isolated storms in the northwest. It's a 20% chance. I think we're dry here in Oklahoma City tonight. Tomorrow, 80s and 90s. And there's that chance tomorrow afternoon for your Friday of an isolated storm. Better chance with the complex that forms in the Panhandle that pushes down into central Oklahoma tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Golf ball size hail, 65-mile-an-hour winds possible. And that thing makes its way all the way down tomorrow night into early Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, a 30% chance of rain. May see another complex overnight into Sunday, and we'll watch for that system early next week closely as well. Back to you guys.
Up next,